Cocoa Pops, spinning tops, Cocoa Pops, pit stops, snowdrops, chocolate flavor, Cocoa Pops, clippity claps, bunny hops, balloon pops, milk drops on Cocoa Pops. Jack in the Box, Mrs. Mops, Mr. Spots, Keystone Cops, for nothing tops, Kellogg's Cocoa Pops. Kellogg's Cocoa Pops.
Thank you, Mummy, for getting me this new cereal. I love Cocoa Pops.
Is it on? Oh. Sorry to break away from those commercials, but we're here with an important bulletin. Good afternoon, everyone. BBC News here. I'm Steve, and we are breaking news. If you were born in the 1920s, you should know about the murderer, or should I say killer clown, was sentenced for life after killing thousands of innocent people all over the country. He comes every October, he would kill people every year, and there would be one day that he killed over 500 people in one night. Every other night in October he would kill over 90 people. He is checked on every month, but this month he is gone. Now October is here, he is on the loose. Every night, lock your windows and doors, unless you want to die. Be safe and careful. We are looking for him as we are speaking. You may have seen these handouts hanging around on the streets, but as it says, if you do see him, stay well clear, call the police, and please be safe.